Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with lesson number 4, Getting to Know Windows. Children, as you know, computer needs an operating system to work. Since operating system manages the hardware and software, run different kind of the program at the same time, and it allows us to lock the screen, files, folder, and allows us to create and changes the files and folders as well. There are many kinds of operating system, but Windows 7 is a such kind of the software which is very easy to use, and it shows everything in the form of boxes. That is why it is called Windows 7. The first opening screen or main screen where we do all our work is called desktop. The desktop contains few pictures which are known as icons for the files and programs. At the bottom side there is a taskbar. On the left hand side there is a start menu, and on the right hand side there is a notification area, and the picture which is displayed at the back, that is called wallpaper. Students, maybe you noticed that some icons on the desktop have an arrow. Such icons are known as shortcuts, which gives a quick way to open any file or folder. The next feature of the Windows 7 is that icons on the desktop can be arranged very easily just by dragging them to different places, or you can choose another way by clicking on auto arrange icon option, which has been clearly shown on book page number 26. Now we have the next topic, desktop background. A picture which is used as wallpaper on the desktop screen is known as desktop background. It can be any solid color or any picture as a background. There are some steps which needs to be followed in order to set desktop background. First step is right click on the blank area of the desktop and choose the option personalize, and then choose desktop background tab. Under this picture location option, user can choose any solid color or any picture as wallpaper, and then click on Save Changes button. You will notice that your desktop screen will appear with the desired wallpaper. Now moving further, we are going to discuss taskbar in detail. The longest bar at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar. Here, the start button is on the left hand side and notification area is on the right hand side. When we click on the start button, start menu appears, which has two sides. Left pane has a list of programs which we use on regular basis, and the right pane has the option to open different kind of the things, and it also has shutdown button for turning off the computer. Notification area shows us date and time. It also shows messages and warning. Apart from them, whatever the programs we are open, that icons are coming on the taskbar. And the programs which we use very often, we can attach them to the taskbar. Attaching means we can pin them to the taskbar. And if we are opening more than one file related to the same application, all of them are stacked under the same button. Children, you know that programs, files and folders open in boxes called windows. For example, the Notepad program opens in a window like this, which is shown in front of you. On the top left corner, name of the window and program is mentioned, that is why it is called title bar. On the right hand side of it, there are three buttons: minimize button, maximize button and close button. Minimize button hides the window, maximize button makes the window larger, and then this same button changes to the restore button. And the last button is close button, which is used to close the window. Size of the window can also be changed by dragging its border from top left right corners. Now let's move further. We are going to discuss some common tasks performed on the Windows, such as creating a new file and folder and deleting the same file and folder. Children, I am going to tell you most easiest method to do that all. Let's discuss the first option. In order to create a file and folder, first of all, right-click on the blank area of the desktop and choose the option New, and then select the type of the file or folder. Type in a name of your choice. That's it. On the other hand side, in order to delete them, right-click on the same file or folder and then choose the Delete option. A dialog box will appear which asks you for surely to delete it. Click to Yes in order to delete. After deleting it, goes to the recycle bin. Now children, what happen if you delete any file and folder by mistake and you need them back? So if you want to get the deleted objects from the recycle bin, you have to open the recycle bin. It shows all the deleted files and folders. Choose the restore option, then all the deleted objects will go back to its original place. Please note one thing. When you delete something from the recycle bin, it will never get back because it will remove from the hard disk also. And another thing is, if you delete something permanently, that also will get removed from the hard disk. There are two methods to delete files and folders from the recycle bin. First of all, you open the recycle bin, choose the file and folder, and then delete, and then click on the yes button. And another option is, you can choose the option empty recycle bin. Within a one go only, your whole recycle bin will get empty. So I hope children, you are clear about Windows operating system.